you.
And
You're just moving.
wala na.
Oh, may orange. Busit ka. Yabanin mo.
Last chance.
I don't want. I asked you earlier already, but you don't want.
What do you mean? Don't want? I told you. Just
Naka-live mo?
Huh?
You can, they will hear you.
I'm just gonna go in the
So just go. You mourning constantly. You're gonna go. So go.
Followers na nakadungog na. Ngayon pa to.
Go.
Where's the key?
Go.
I'm usually gonna go. Where's the key?
Ay, kwarta din.
Here's your card. Here's your thing. Off
Money.
You go.
1,000. Kayay.
Goodbye.
3,000.
Goodbye.
Because I'm gonna have a dinner.
Goodbye.
3,000.
3,000.
Because I'm gonna have a dinner.
Goodbye. What? I offer you to take a picture
I
and
don't
you're
want
just
mood.
making
What, you
drama.
want me to smile there even
Making
if I'm not
drama.
in the mood anymore?
So why are you asking me for the picture if you're not in a mood?
Earlier I asked you, but you said no, I zoom it already.
So why you then explain you want a picture with you?
I told you, I said, can you
Wait,
take
and
me a
then
photo?
you straight away start the tantrum.
So just stop it. Give me the
Oh no,
two more.
because you are the problem.
2K more.
Hmm? You don't even see it.
2K more.
I offer you to take a picture and you still don't want.
Where?
Well, now you're arguing it's too late.
Yeah, it's too late.
No, you can still take. You take it or not?
There's a lot of sunset in the wood. It's not only here. I'm gonna talk some more later. I'm gonna go on other restaurant.
Huh?
Other restaurant. I will go.
You don't even know what you want to eat. You don't even know where you're going.
I will go there somewhere.
You have 52 viewers, oh.
How many viewers?
52. Ay, sorry, what happened?
With them now?
Well, our relationship is always like this. We're always fighting.
No, it's not always fighting. It's always you making a drama.
He's always treating me like that. He's telling me to
Mag-live siya sa ano, Facebook. Kasi matanaw. Hindi siya nag-live.
YouTube siguro na lang.
Tungod lang nila sa inyo.
Don't go in Davao with me, ha? Just don't go in Davao with me.
Kasi
Oh,
ko
there we
andira
go.
di kay maulo na siya makadungog ni. Pag-stop na ba?
Boy, who's the one who's treating me like this? So he even give me just 1,000.
And? Just one time.
You have a lot of money there in
Yeah.
your just withdraw.
Give me a card. How much you want to do for the dinner for one person?
3,000.
For one person.
3,000.
500.
500 exactly.
Yeah.
Let's go na. I don't wanna stay here anymore.
Can you stop behaving like this? You're behaving like a spoiled bitch. Seriously. Look in the mirror, Max.
Let's go now.
Look in the mirror, Max. I offer you to take a picture. You
Okay,
didn't
let's go now.
explain to me what you want, and then you straight away start the tantrum.
He's supposed to be my companion here, but he's just like, give me
And
another 2,000.
you constantly upset,
Just go, give it
and you
to
mourning
Ken, I'm going.
constantly.
Just go, give it to Ken, I'm going.
You're behaving like this. Oh, you see?
Kaya mo 5 pesos?
You going with me?
Yeah. Ayun na biyai, maluyong po ko biyaan na. Ha? Bogbog diretso. Ha? Bogbog ka.
Alaparo. Alaparo.
Alaparo ka, alaparo. Hindi mo.
Uy, di ba na sila? Wala sa alay.
Na hindi sila jabakano. Ano naman to si Kuan? Ay, maulo na yung kumanda siya.